Hi, this is Tariq here from stockoptionexpert.com. For the recording purpose, we are on December 16th, 2015. Today's the big announcement came out as Fed announced interest increase rate by 1/4%. So it got very interesting how this market is really range bound last few weeks here. In fact, it's really volatile here. But if you look at the technical levels and options flow, you are on the right side of the markets. Look what happened. Even when if you are one of my followers here, you know that we have shorted around here, right at heavy resistance zone here around 211 zone. This is what we shorted, and if you go back in my account, it's in real time. We are not someone who will come and claim that we have called this or that. We always give proof to all of our alerts, and many of them are posted in real time. This is what our members love. So if you look at today, many of the retail traders, they were expecting a crash, pullback, and everything, but in reality, the options flow been bullish for a SPY. And there was a big post in my account. If you are a follower of mine, you have seen it. Look at this one. SPY weekly 199 calls, 20,000 calls. You don't want to go short when the big boys, they buy 20,000 plus calls, and it's a $43 million bet here. This one go 199 calls or trading, I believe, around $5 6. So I forgot the number. But today, look at what happened. Those calls are exploding. They are at almost at 850 at this moment here. So if they bought 20,000 contracts and they are making big money, look at this. When this post came, I posted it yesterday at night around 8:11. Yesterday at morning, in the morning, that there was big buy, and look what happened. This thing is keep pushing higher since yesterday. So look at this. This is on the 15th. On the 15th it was this one, and this morning it just kept pushing higher, and right now it will go for some resistance around 208 zone, and then we have here to 11 resistance. So this is quite insane how they set this game up. If you played short side and you guessed and predicted, even many of our members attempted to short it, I kind of had to tell them stay away from shorting it because of that big volume. So this is why what our members got it. I just want to highlight here another big point. This is everything. This is mother of everything. This what a SPY decides the direction for rest of the stocks and market, because it holds the biggest 500 stocks in this basket. If you think here, you might think I have drawn this one and then now I'm coming out and claim it. This is what our premium members get. They always stay ahead of the game. Look at this. This is my post on December 14th at 11:47. Remember at 11:47, December 14th, that SPY was 200.50 some old support on daily and bit oversold. So it means clearly oversold means something got shorted, overshorted, and there is a bounce coming. So and then immediately this thing indexes are getting oversold. This was in one of my public posts here. Again on the same day on December 14th, and then we got that oversold bound from the SPY. Look at this now, this candle here. The low of this candle was, I will show you in a second. It's 199.5, but my level was around, this is what it got oversold, around this level here. So this is quite amazing how it played out today. This 199 calls block that 20,000 calls. This is just amazing. This also coincide with 50 Fibonacci support here. So you have to, if you want to be successful, this is why our consistency comes from. We use more than one thing in our analysis as we are analyzing market and thing. It's not just the options volume. We combine it with technicals, Fibonacci, trend, support, resistance, overbought, oversold. It has to be. You have to consider all these in your analysis to be consistent. Another top mover was VRX. VRX, this one is the top mover today. Look at this. This is just exploded. If you are in my follower in any of my accounts, there was a big post here. Look at here, yesterday. This is today. It's up $9 here. You are wondering, maybe we are telling you today. Look, yesterday at 1:58 p.m. I said VRX January 105, December 110, 115 calls most active. So this 110 and 115 calls, they went for more than a double here. Almost they are up 150 to 200% easily as the stock is up $9 and plus. So this is quite amazing how options, big institutional flow that we follow, KMR plays out in the market. Look at Twitter. Twitter pretty interesting here. Still hanging around this support. It gets quite volatile. You cannot get this stock precisely. It's almost impossible. Look at this one. It's almost all over. Although I see January 25 calls active, it's probably it will come and test 25 or higher. It's possible. As long as this level is held around here, I'm sure this can come and test around 26 even by the January or so if my market holds. Another one went to our premium members was this one today. They are double bottom here. And then nice action here. This only went, it did not go to our public post, it went to our premium members only. This we alerted folks right at open up 5% plus. So this is quite interesting how everything, most retail traders thought that market was going down and it's exploding up. Although it's short bound, same thing for QQQ, it got oversold, pushing higher. Although it will create again strong resistance, although I think we may end the year in a range here. So this is not easy. As soon as you think you see this candle, you may think that this is crashing and the next minute it reverses. So this is not straightforward for anybody. You have to use many techniques, as I have mentioned earlier, to get this thing right. Thank you. Please share.